just want to share a couple little tips and tricks that I have used and I use frequently as a teacher that are pretty simple once you get started with them. So the first thing I want to show is tab grouping. So you can already see actually I have this little green button up here. When I click on this, it's going to open other tabs. And when I click on it, those tabs are still open, but they are now just hidden. So if you want to start by making and grouping your own tabs just to keep things organized, you are going to right click on your tab. And if you're creating a new group, it's going to say add tab to new group. If you already have a couple, you're going to have to create a new group and you can name it whatever you want. And once that is done, you can change a color. You can add other tabs by clicking and dragging them. And then you can close out of it and those tabs will stay open. Now, a couple other things with that is while it is open or closed, you can right click and have it close all the tabs at once. You can open a new tab within the group if you already know you're going to be opening something there. Or, and this is something I use sometimes, I can move it to a new window. And now you can do that by clicking and dragging the title of the group as well. But what I find is if I keep, say, my grading open in just one tab, then when I am done for the day or done with that little bit, I can close it. Or if I need to open it and have more space along the top, I'm good. Something else that really helps with organization is bookmarking things. Now notice Canva is already bookmarked. And instead of having a bajillion bookmarks that take up all the space along the top of my browser screen, I created a bookmark folder, which if you are new to using Chrome, you might need to go into your bookmarks and change the settings so that your bookmarks bar is visible. And as you use different things, you can save them in these folders. Now, something that I personally don't use, but I've seen a lot of coworkers use is when you have a folder for bookmarks, you can have it in your settings that it will open every link in that folder all at once when you open your Chrome window. Now, I personally don't do that because I'm horrible at closing out of tabs to begin with. But what I do use a lot is I will organize it. For example, for testing days, I have specific websites I need to be able to access, or for administrative things like paperwork for my sub-pop students, or taking attendance. That's all going to be the same thing. All my planning things, all the different calendars and resources I need access to, those are all going to be in folders. And it just makes it nice and organized, easy to find, and easy to manage. So these are some things that are specific to Google Chrome that I think are really useful and can benefit a lot of people. Thanks for watching.